this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in LEXIS and Company and you're watching LEXCLIQ. In this video, I will talk about employment contract. What is employment contract, why it is needed, what are its essential clauses and what are its advantages. These all things I will discuss. So an employment contract, which means it is basically an agreement that covers the relationship of working between the company and an employee. It allows both parties to clearly understand their duties and the terms of employment. More specifically, the employment contract can involve salary or wages, schedule, duration of employment, general responsibilities, confidentiality, benefits of an employee, future competitions, etc. What could be the advantages of having an employment contract? So there are many advantages of employment, but some I will discuss here. First of all, it helps in formation. It helps in employing key and skilled employees for a long time. Employing good employees is a very difficult due to competition or the present scenario. Fixing a minimum period for employment in the agreement will provide the security of the interest of the employer. It also provides attractive packages and benefits and will refrain from forgiving top employees who leave the company. The main aim of making an employment agreement or contract is to guarantee a job to the employee and a worker certainty to the employer. Then the responsibilities and nature of job will be given in detail in the agreement. It helps with better focus, performance and accountability of the work granted. It provides an encouraging working environment with employees with a clear set of purpose and structure in the company. The legal connotations and penalties will make sure that both the employees and the employer will not cease to work before the period of the agreement or within the time frame which is mentioned in the contract. Uh, how to make an employment contract? What are the essential clauses or components that are needed to be added in an employment contract? So first you need to add employment details. Add the agreement to employer policies, rules and regulations. Some of these details can even mention the job description and the team or department with which the employee will work. Mention position related responsibilities. An agreement gives the details about position responsibilities. Then compensation packages. In the agreement also mention the compensation package. It must include the hourly rate or annual salary. Then vacation contract. An agreement provides vacation and PTO and also explains employee expectations regarding sick leave, family emergencies or unpaid leave. Then you have to mention employee benefit contract, performance review, termination agreement which also mention how the termination of work by the employee. Next, enter the amount of notice which party is needed to give to terminate non-competition. Is it necessary? Yes. Presently in India, the current labor laws do not strictly need that an employment contract is in writing. It is a predominant market practice to have all terms and conditions of employment agreed upon and signed by both the parties. So this was all about employment contract from my side. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.